Hey guys, today I'm sharing with you a little mini album which I created. I used Stamperia Pink Christmas papers as well as some Craft Floral Romance and Rosabella. So I hope you guys enjoy this little flip through. For the cover I used Craft chipboard and covered that in paper, and it's held up really well actually. It's very secure and doesn't feel like it's going to fall apart anytime soon, which is nice. So hopefully I can get a bit of use out of it. And this is just a mini album used for placing photos in and just storing memories. And of course it's going to be pink, which is my favorite color. The papers were just gorgeous. As soon as I saw them, it's like, oh gosh, I need these papers. And so I definitely wanted to do a mini album, something that I can hold on to for a while and that I don't have to give away, and I can just personalize it and customize it in my own way. So yeah, I think these papers are really good for that. And the little images are just so cute. The animal images are gorgeous. I've got a lot of bits and pieces in the album as well, which I cut out from the paper pack. So they give you a lot in that collection. And that was really good because it meant that I could really embellish the pages how I wanted and find just the right image and just the right little sentiment for it. These cute little tags, and they've all got something nice on the back as well. Like, have a look at that. It's just really pretty stuff, really pretty papers. That's one of my favorite images as well, so cute. And I've created some photo mats as well to go with the cutouts, just so there's more space for photos. And I've also used some chipboard pieces too. That's also from the Pink Christmas collection. There's a lot of space here for writing. You can write notes about the image that you pop on the photo mat, or just cute little comments, anything really. And this is a really fun page, I think. Photo mat at the back, and they just slide through like that. There's enough space to even add more, so I've only got a minimal amount of photo mats here, but I could certainly add more. This is one of my favorite flip outs. That's a really cute image of a deer and a Christmas tree there. This cute little tuck spot with some more tags. And all of these flip outs are magnetized as well. And that's just a blank page. I love these papers, so I didn't want to cover those up. This one's a fun, cute page here as well. Got some little squirrel chipboards down the bottom. And then at the top here, you've got a tuck spot with a little booklet, another little photo mat or a journaling spot. And this one, there's a little envelope hiding with another fold out booklet and just a image there of the deer. And that just slides into the back of this tuck spot. And a couple more photo mats. And the last page, got this gem and a couple more photo mats, and this is a really thick pocket as well, so you could definitely fit a lot more in there if you wanted to. So I hope you guys have enjoyed that little flip through. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm really happy with how it turned out because it is one of my favourite paper packs, and yeah, I'm really happy with the end result and I can't wait to put some photos in there. So let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.